Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to check timeline on Google Maps. So guys, let's continue into Google Maps. And then tap on the profile icon in the right side of corner. Tap on your timeline. And now tap on the arrow besides today. Now select the date for which you want to see the timeline. So I am selecting this date. So guys, after selecting the date, you can see your timelines. So guys, that's how you can check timeline on Google Maps very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.